The Govee TV backlight bottom mount camera calibration is failing and we're fixing it right now. This guide tackles the exact Govee TV backlight bottom mount camera calibration setup to get your ambient lighting perfectly synced. First, we need to ensure the Govee Home app is up to date, as outdated versions often cause calibration glitches. Navigate to your device settings, select your specific Govee TV backlight model, and then tap on the camera calibration option to check for any available app updates and install them immediately. Then restart the app. If that doesn't clear the error, the problem often lies with corrupted device settings. So we'll reset those. Go back to device settings, find the reset settings option, confirm the action, and then repair your Govee device before returning to the camera calibration and following the on-screen prompts for the bottom mount. Still no luck. The issue might be the physical camera positioning. Access the camera calibration menu again, but this time choose Recalibrate Camera and select Manual Positioning to precisely adjust the camera's angle, ensuring it has a clear view. Then save this new position. Finally, if the calibration is still off, we'll fine-tune the settings. Enter the camera calibration settings one last time, select bottom mount camera, and carefully adjust the sensitivity sliders and color accuracy, ensuring the correct aspect ratio is selected before applying and saving these final adjustments.